Hello, hello, and a very warm welcome to you. Can you hear the excitement in my voice? That is because today is a very special day. It is the first chapter of a brand new book. It is the beginning of 2026. First, let's start with the most important phrase of the day. Listen and repeat after me. Happy New Year. One more time, with a big smile, Happy New Year! When you say Happy New Year, you are sending good energy to the world. You are telling your friends, your family, and even strangers that you wish them a beautiful life. My name is your host, and I am your English partner. Today, we aren't just learning words, we are building a bridge to your future. Think about the year 2025. Was it a good year? Was it a busy year? Sometimes learning English feels like climbing a very tall mountain. You look up and you think, it is too high. I cannot do it. But today, I want you to look down. Look at how far you have already come. You are here. You are listening to a podcast in English. That is a victory. A new year is what we call a fresh start. Let's look at that word, fresh, like a fresh apple or fresh air. It is clean. It is new. A fresh start means the mistakes of last year are gone. Did you forget your vocabulary last year? It's okay. Did you stop studying in October? It's okay. Today, we press the reset button. In this podcast, we will talk about three main things. First, we will learn the vocabulary of New Year celebrations. Second, we will practice the grammar of the future, how to talk about your dreams. Third, we will talk about how to keep your brain happy and motivated. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Let's begin our journey into 2026. Let's talk about the vocabulary of celebration. When the year changes, the world becomes a very noisy and beautiful place. The night of December 31st is New Year's Eve. The day of January 1st is New Year's Day. On New Year's Eve, people celebrate. To celebrate is to have fun because of a special event. How do people celebrate? Many people go to a party. A party is a gathering of people. There is music, maybe loud music, maybe soft music. There is dancing, there is laughter. At a party, you might see decorations. Decorations are things that make a room look beautiful. For New Year, we use balloons, gold ribbons, and lights. Now let's talk about midnight. It is 12 o'clock at night. It is the bridge between the old and the new. In many countries, there is a countdown. This is my favorite part. Everyone looks at a big clock. They count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then everyone shouts, Happy New Year! At that exact moment, the sky explodes with color. These are fireworks. Let's practice that word. Fireworks. Fireworks are bright. They are red, green, blue, and silver. They make a loud noise. Bang, pop, boom. After the fireworks, people make a toast. To make a toast, you hold your drink in the air. You look at your friend in the eye and you clink your glasses. Clink. What do you say? You say, cheers. Cheers is a wonderful short word. It means I celebrate with you. Every country has a different tradition. A tradition is an action we repeat every year. In Spain, people eat 12 grapes. In Brazil, people wear white clothes for peace. In the United States, a big glass ball drops in New York City. What is your tradition? Do you eat a special cake? Do you visit your grandmother? In English, we say we have a tradition of eating lentils for good luck. Think about your favorite New Year memory. Was there music? Was there a special smell of food? Use your English brain to describe it. The food was delicious. The music was loud. I was happy. Simple sentences are perfect. You don't need big words to tell a big story.
Now let's move to our English toolbox. We are going to talk about the future. In the new year, we make resolutions. A resolution is a decision to do something better. It is a goal. To talk about these goals, we use a very simple word, will. Will is like a magic arrow pointing to the future. It is very easy for beginners because it never changes. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. After will, you put the action. Let's practice some common resolutions. I will say them and you repeat them. I will exercise. I will save money. I will travel. I will study English. Instead of I will exercise, say I will walk for 20 minutes every morning. Instead of I will study English, say I will listen to one podcast every day. When you add a time like every day or every morning, your resolution becomes a habit. A habit is something you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth. Now, what about the things we want to stop? For this, we use will not, or the short version, won't. Repeat after me. I won't eat too much sugar. I won't spend money on things I don't need. I won't be afraid to speak English. That last one is very important. I won't be afraid. Fear is the biggest enemy of language learning. You think, if I speak, I will make a mistake. But listen to me. Mistakes are the stairs to success. Each mistake is one step higher. If you don't make mistakes, you are standing still. This year, I want you to say, I will make mistakes and I will learn from them. Let's try a small game. I will give you a situation and you make a will resolution. Situation 1. Your English vocabulary is small. Your resolution, I will learn 3 new words every day. Situation 2. You want to be healthy. Your resolution, I will drink 8 glasses of water. Situation 3. You want to see the world. Your resolution, I will visit a new country in 2026. See? Using will is easy. It is powerful. It is your promise to the future. Many people start the year with a lot of energy. On January 1st, they go to the gym. They study for 3 hours. They are super learners. But then February arrives. It is cold. You are tired. You have a lot of work. Suddenly, your English books are covered in dust. You think, I will do it tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. How can we stop this?
How can we stay motivated for the whole year? I have 3 secrets for you. Secret number 1. Think small. Do not try to climb the whole mountain in one day. If you study for 5 hours one day and then 0 hours for the rest of the week, you will not learn. But if you study for 10 minutes every single day, you will become a master. 10 minutes is nothing. It is the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. Tell yourself, I will give 10 minutes to my future today. Secret number 2. Connect English to your life. If you love cooking, read recipes in English. If you love football, watch the match with English commentary. If you love music, look up the lyrics to your favorite song and sing. When English is a hobby, it is not work, it is life. Secret number 3. Find a partner. English is a tool for communication. It is for talking to people. Find a friend who is also learning. Send them a message in English. Say, "Hi, how are you today?" They will reply, "I am fine, thank you, and you?" It is a simple conversation, but it is real. You are using the language. Another way to stay motivated is to track your progress. Progress is the movement forward. Get a calendar. Every day you study English, put a big red X on that day. After 5 days, you have a chain of X's. Your only job is don't break the chain. When you see the chain growing, you will feel proud. You will think, I am a person who studies English. Also, remember your why. Why are you listening to this? Is it for your children? Is it for a better salary? Is it because you want to feel free when you travel? Write your why on a piece of paper. Put it on your mirror. When you feel tired, read it. It will give you the fire to continue. We are almost at the end of our New Year podcast. We have covered a lot of ground. We learned about New Year's Eve, fireworks, and toasts. We learned how to use will and won't to talk about our goals. And we learned that small steps are better than big jumps. Now I have a very important task for you. This is your homework, but don't worry, it is fun homework. I want you to pick one English goal for 2026. Only one. Make it a SMART goal. Specific, I will learn 5 words. Measurable, I will do this 3 times a week. Achievable, I can do this in 10 minutes. Relevant, this will help me speak better. Time-bound, I will do this by December. Write your goal in the comments or in a notebook. I will do this goal in 2026. By writing it, you make it real. You are telling the universe that you are ready. I want to tell you something from my heart. I believe in you. Learning a language is a brave act. It takes courage to be a beginner. It takes courage to sound like a child when you are an adult. But you are doing it. You are brave. You are a student of the world. 2026 is going to be your year. Every time you listen to a podcast, every time you learn a new word, you are opening a door to a new life. Thank you for listening to me today. thank you for letting me be part of your journey. Let's end with one last celebration. On the count of 3, let's say Happy New Year to each other one more time. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year. Stay happy, stay curious, and most importantly, keep speaking English. I will talk to you very soon in our next episode. Goodbye for now.